This is a quick follow-up to my Speed Chuck repair. As you see, I have the gear there, and I removed the 5C threads, bored it out. And then down on the table is the slug that I was going to fill that void and then create the new 5C threads. Well, lessons learned. I opted to press that slug into the gear full size using Loctite. And I did that because I was worried about concentricity. Well, what I should have done was prior to pressing that slug in, I should have drilled and bored that slug to a close tolerance for the 5C threads, then pressed it into the gear. That would have been less pressure on the gear, and I would not have been generating so much heat, which was fatiguing the Loctite. So comments on the video are really helpful, and I learned something here on my mistake, although it did turn out well. But I thought I would share this with viewers, learn from what I learned, and we keep on keeping on. So thanks for stopping by, and hope this message has good merit for you.